Let me just quickly share with you, just slightly on the neuroscience part. And maybe as we do this, can I ask something? Can you tell us maybe, what do you know about the brain? What do you know about your brain? And by the way, all of us here have a brain. There's no one who doesn't have it. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here. So what do you know about your brain? That is the truth. I'm talking about something that is the truth. What do you know about the brain? Your brain. It stores memories? Okay. What else do we know? I know when you look at me, it's okay, you can look at me, but you haven't given me the answer. I'm still expecting the answer. What do you know? And I thought now you guys would be competing, me first. But I'm not seeing that. Why is that? And it communicates. Okay?
I know that its mind is the most fragile organ, I guess, because if I tell it something, it believes it. So if I tell it to go, yo, I'm sick, then I wake up sick.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's something there. And then when you say to someone, I'm rich, so tomorrow you can...
Yeah.
Okay. All right.